In this video, we'll be discussing the dirty truth about American hygiene and how bidets can be a game changer for your personal hygiene routine. We'll start by exploring what is a bidet, how it works, and the benefits it provides for both you and the environment. Bidets are a more sustainable, hygienic, and cost-effective option compared with traditional toilet paper. And we'll show you why. Despite the overwhelming benefits, bidets are still not. We'll explore the reasons behind this, including cultural norms, misperceptions, and a lack of awareness. By the end of this video, you'll understand why bidets are a superior option for personal hygiene, and why they can improve your daily routine. Join us as we explore this fascinating topic and learn more about bidets and how they're a game changer. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. A bidet is a bathroom fixture designed for personal hygiene, specifically for after use of using the toilet. It typically consists of a low-mounted basin or bowl with a water jet used for cleaning. Bidets come in various forms, including standalone fixtures or attachments that can be installed on existing toilets. Bidets are considered to provide several hygiene benefits. Here are some of the reasons why bidets are often considered better for hygiene. Number 1. Thorough cleaning. Bidets use a stream of water to clean, which can be more effective than using toilet paper alone. The water helps remove residue and provides a gentle and thorough cleansing experience. Number 2. Reduced irritation. Reduced irritation. Using toilet paper excessively or with improper techniques can lead to skin irritation, especially for individuals with sensitive skin or certain medical conditions. Bidets offer a gentler alternative that can reduce the risk of irritation. Number 3. Improved freshness. Bidets promote a feeling of cleanliness and freshness after using the toilet. Many people find bidets to be a more comfortable and pleasant experience compared to using toilet paper alone. Bidets also have potential environmental benefits primarily related to reduced paper waste. By using a bidet, individuals can significantly reduce their reliance on toilet paper, which results in fewer trees being cut down and less water and energy used in the manufacturing process. This can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to personal hygiene. As for why bidets are not common in the United States, here are a few reasons. Number 1. Cultural factors. In the United States, the use of bidets is deeply ingrained in cultural norms and practices as it is in some parts of the world, particularly in Europe and Asia. Different countries have different historical, cultural, and religious factors that influence personal hygiene practices. Number 2. Lack of awareness. Many Americans may not be familiar with bidets. Lack of awareness. Many Americans may not be familiar with bidets or may have misconceptions about them. Due to limited exposure in marketing, some people may not realize the potential benefits of bidets or understand how they work. Number 3. Infrastructure and cost. Retrofitting existing bathrooms with bidets can be more expensive and complicated compared with traditional toilets. It may require modifications to plumbing or the purchase of additional fixtures, which can deter widespread adoption. However, it's worth noting that bidets have been gaining popularity in the United States in recent years. As people become more aware of the hygiene and environmental benefits they offer, the demand for bidets and bidet attachments has been increasing, especially since the COVID pandemic. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.